Hi beauties, welcome back. I hope you guys are all well and safe. Now in today's video I want to do an inspired video. Actually, I saw Demi over there at SimplyDemi do a 10-minute makeup look and I thought to myself, I can do that. I actually can do that. We'll see, we'll be the judge. So I did the 5-minute makeup look, I want to say 5-minute makeup challenge about 3 years ago, and I failed miserably. The reason why I failed, number one, is because I did it with a friend, and having a friend around, you're distracted, so you tend not to be doing what you're supposed to be doing. So I decided that, am I going to do the 5-minute makeup challenge and embarrass myself again? I don't think so. Let's try the 10-minute makeup challenge. So I saw Demi do it and I decided to go ahead and try it out and see how well I can get my face looking right in 10 minutes. I mean, 10 minutes is quite, it's not a long time to do my makeup, but we are going to see how much I can get done on this face in 10 minutes. Okay, so the only thing I've done is moisturize my face, because of course I have to moisturize my face because it's quite dry. I haven't done anything else to my face, so I'm going to put my timer on. Hang on. So I'm going to set my timer on for 10 minutes and then I'm going to start. So when you hear the timer go off, I have to put down my brushes. So 10 minutes, let's begin. Oh my god, I'm getting so nervous. Okay, I'm trying not to talk, you guys, because that doesn't help. So I'm priming my face quickly. I'm so nervous. God, I hate the pressure. I don't work well under pressure, you know. Do you? Okay, let's talking Shaunz. Okay, primer is on. Gonna quickly put some foundation on. I'm nervous. Me nervous, people, me nervous, me not lie. If you hear any noise in the background, you guys, it's my air conditioner. It's very hot and I had to close the door because it's noisy as heck outside. Don't ask me. People are supposed to be in quarantine. Don't ask me why it's noisy. I daren't say why it's noisy. Okay, I have to stop with the foundation now. What's the time? I've got 8 minutes. Oh, foundation is usually okay. It's not going to be perfect. Foundation is on. Okay, foundation is on. Guys, you know what? I completely forgot my brow pencil, so I'm just gonna have to fill it in with some brown powder. This is not my usual way of doing my brows, but oh shoot. I was even planning on putting lashes on and doing eyeshadow and all that, but you know what? Highly unlikely. Guys, I'm so nervous. And I forgot my lip products as well. What the heck? Really? Okay, let me try and shape out this brow. Where's the pencil? Oh my god. How much time I have left? 6 minutes. This is like when Bae says, I'm downstairs. When he's actually ready and you haven't even filled in your brows and your nerves start to kick in. Yeah. Okay. What mess? Where's the brush? Where's the brush? I can't find the brush, people. Where's the brush? Oh crap. 6 minutes. 5 minutes. 5:58. Some concealer. Put some on my eyes. See if I can. Don't judge my brows, people. By the way, did you guys watch my last video where I reacted to my first ever YouTube video? You guys should watch it. I will link it up top. Where? Here or here? I'll link it up top here. Somewhere here so you guys can see it. Okay, let me set that powder real quick. 5 minutes. Oh crap. Okay, will I be able to get any eyeshadow on? I think yes. Ooh, something. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me see if I can pack some shadow on. How much we have left? Oh! 3 minutes. No. Okay. Eyes. Let me see if I can sweep some eyeshadow. What do we need here? I really have to set my face. I cannot not set my face. I've got fallout. Three minutes. Okay. Highlighter, 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 highlighter. Oh. Highlighter. Okay. Mascara. Oh, mascara. Two minutes. Guys, what? Oh crap. Okay, I have to get some lip. I just picked up some lipstick. Oh, I'm going to use a lip gloss because it's much easier. So, of course, I won't be able to put any lashes on. But who cares? What's the time? What's the time? What's the time? 56 seconds. $56. How much? 28 seconds. $11 seconds. Guys, done. 10 minutes. That was actually 10 minutes. 10 minutes, and I think I did a decent face. I don't have any lashes on because obviously that would have taken me way longer. My brows are not the best brows, but they're decent enough to go outside and, you know, say hello to the neighbors, even though we're not doing that right now. But I did create a decent face. What do you guys think? Whew, I was so nervous, you guys. Like, it's so hard doing my makeup under pressure. Like when Bae says you've got 5 minutes or 10 minutes to get ready and you have to like hurry up. That's exactly how I felt, and my nerves, and I'm shaking and my nerves are like, ugh. But I did manage to get a decent face and I'm happy with the results. So yeah. Anyways guys, so that is the video done. I don't think I did such a bad job doing my makeup in 10 minutes. At least it's not a full beat face, but it's a decent enough face to go to the supermarket or go to the pharmacy or wherever we are allowed to go right now. Anyways, I did enjoy doing this video, and I challenge you, if you feel like doing this video, of course, go ahead and do it, and don't forget to let me know when you've done it as well so I can come over and watch it. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing this, guys, and I do hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it as well. Comment down below and let me know if you're going to try this 10-minute makeup challenge, of course. And thanks so much for watching. Comment, subscribe, turn the notifications on, and all those lovely, wonderful stuff. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.